Why you can't speak? Why? Is there any solution to fix the problem or not? You understand English but you can't speak. You read books, you watch movie and you listening podcasts in every single day. But when it's time to talk with someone, you freeze. You get stuck to create more sentence. Why does this happens actually? Is there any solution really or not? I think you don't skip the video, rather watching the video till the end. Now in this video, I will reveal 4 smartest way or effective way then how to make sentence easily or how to understand English perfect way. I don't waste your time, rather start using these 4 steps in your real life. If you are really enthusiastic to learn English or you have an indomitable goal to set up, then watch the video till the end. Let's begin. And hey, this is Tonmoy and I am a Webflow and Wix developer. So if you need any website like a pro or any bug fixing problem solving, so you have to contact with me. I am always with you, and yes, you hire me for remote jobs. Hello. Hey dear, in our life we always consuming lots of things. You know that, my friends, lots of thing consuming, it's not a good habit. It fades your life, it destroy your life. Sometimes we have to produce something for stay our health good, I think for good. So you have to same thing apply in your learning process or in anything that you always you are consuming. Like you listen the podcast, I think you listen the video and watch the video, then you don't practice your English. Why? It's your problem. No one can teach you. I think in your way, like your way, what you want. Sometimes take time, obviously, but you have to wait for the good time, for the positive thing, what you want actually, where you will go basically. So this is the strategy in your life. Be kind to yourself that yes, I want this and one day I will go. If I want, if I hard work, lots of think. So yes, sometimes produce yourself, and like how you produce yourself. You watch the video, you listening the video, then pause. Then you create a short story with your easy words, with your summarization. Like you say, the boy, he is saying that how to make sentence easily or fun way. He makes sentence with easy words, then his voice is so much melodious. Then you create a sentence like of that. Then you get feelings, you get motivation that yes, I am also same. I have to make sentence. I can do make sentence. And this is the smartest way. You just copy any other self, what type of video you watch, what type of content creator you follow. So it's totally up to you. If you follow my video, if you watch my video, please follow myself and copy my attitude, my gesture, that gonna help you to make more sentence in your life. And it's the effective way. You know, my friends, as a human, we always get fear to start any journey. Sometimes you watch in movie like when an actor start their journey, like his chest like dhick dhick dhick. So this type of sounds creates. So it's the same. It's our inevitable part of any human, of any student. You are not unique. You are not another person. You are a human. So it's our part and parcel of our life. You make mistake to get fear. I think fear of mistake. You always get fear when make sentence in wrong way. So why you get fear? You know, my friends, mistake is a learning process that obviously you can do something. You practice yourself and you praise yourself that yes, I can practice in every day so that I solve the problem, I fix the problem. And this is the smartest way, this is the main strategy. Like as a beginner, just guess myself, I am also fear. I don't make sentence, obviously, but I try. In every day I try. Then I realize that how I make sentence, like what type of content creator I follow. And if you implement this strategy in your life, you get the massive improvement in your life in after 6 months or 1 year later, and you see the result right now in front of your camera. Just me. Yes, I am also feel stuck, I am also get shy to make sentence, but today obviously I make sentence properly or right way. I'm not say that my sounds like so much fluent, my speaking is so much confident. No, I just say you that I practice my English every day. I practice my English fluency every day so that I get fluence, I get confidence that yes, I can do that and I can do. I hope you understand part number 2, and if you have any confusion, let me know in my comment section. Literally in our life, why we make mistake? Because we don't make a habit, like practice English every day, like practice written in English every day. Now let's share a story in easy way. Well, if you don't eat in morning or in every single day, you don't get power to walk for walking with your parents. So just think that if you don't practice your English in every single day, you can't get English fluency. So how you think that without practice English, I speak English fluently, I get fluency without doubt? How you think this type of thinking? Why? You know, my friends, one writer, right now I forget the name of the writer, he said that without practice in learning way or in anything, you don't catch up your indomitable desire. You don't catch up your unstoppable things. So you have to create a habit. Then every day, however in your life, however lots of problem you face in your life, but if you have an enthusiastic goal to fill up, or if you are enthusiastic to learn English, then practice English every single day. That's gonna change your life. That's gonna help you. Yes, just follow my talking, just obey my conversation. That one day I listen from a boy, they say create a habit. That's gonna change your life. Obviously that would change your life and it will be fruitful. So please build a habit and practice English every single day. Even 10 minutes you practice your English, or if you can't practice your English in 10 minutes, then in every single day you practice your English 2 minutes. Is in any sector, like if you want to be a web designer, if you want to be a software engineer, or if you want to be YouTuber, then every single day you shoot your video 2 minutes. Then when you practice your English or you make your video in 2 minutes, like 7 days, then you take another plan 21 days. That gonna change your life. That would be so much fruitful. I hope you understand. And you know, in my every videos I always say I can't waste your time. I think I don't waste your time. Rather start using what I'm saying in this video. Sometimes you say that he is a mate. Yes, I will be mate. I can be mate. But what I'm saying in my video, I don't give any wrong information. Rather, give always positive information that changes your life. So if you are new here, or if any chapter or part that help you, please let me know in my comment section that yes brother, your comment, your conversation, your advice would helped me in my life, and this is my happy, this is my appreciable happiness. I know in every day I work lots of, because my father has a stall. In here I work, then I study, then I think that in every day I practice my English, because without practice my English, without shoot my video, I can't live. Yes, because I share my lots of thing. In every morning I read books, and this topic I reveal in my videos. I explain with my words, as long as I know, as though I can do in my every videos. Yeah, you see that you want to say that your sentence structure like a easy word. Yes, as a beginner, always you make sentence with easy words. Someone speaks English in very goodly, that's true, that's absolutely enough. I don't do anything and I can't do in their objection. But if you are new here, if you are beginner, so please practice English with easy words. That would be fruitful, that would change your life. And this is the main thing, this is the main strategy to get English fluency. Well, right now you are a native speaker in your country, but you try to learn English effective or a smart way. So when you practice your English, you translate any sentence in your head, always think in English. You always translating everything in your head, like first thing you translate in Bengal, then you translate in English. No, this is the wrong way to practice your English. So you just do one thing, always think in English, that change your life and that help you to make more sentence, to get English fluency. Yes, from this today, take the decision and implement in your life, then you get the best result. And I'm also same, as a first thing, as a first English learner, I'm also translating everything in my hand. Then I realize why I put pressure in my head, so that always I have a headache. And then I realize, no, think in English. Even if I make sentence in wrong way, no matter, I just practice. This is the matters. Focus on matters today. What you have actually, what have you done in today, that gonna change your life. And be consistent, be persistent. It would be fruitful, it would be so much confidence in your life. You know what I mean? Try to happen in your life, and now you get the massive improvement in your life. By the ending of this video, I'm also practice my English. If I make any mistake for creating sentence, please find out my problems and figure out my mistake, where I mistake for creating sentence. It would be fruitful for myself. And yes, every comment is so much appreciable for me. So please keep on and always comment in my video. Without comment, you don't go. Be happy, be motivated.